Push manual if the mains is okay. Your load is already connected to the mains. Check for the voltage. Check for the current. Set display voltage of the generator. Start the engine. When the engine is running, you can check for the frequency, you can check for the speed, you can check for battery voltage and charger alternator. Return back to voltage measurement, close the contactor of the generator. You can check for the current on your load supplied by the generator. Then switch back to the mains by closing the KM contactor. You can stop the engine. After a while, you can choose the automotive operation. Thanks for watching.